There it is. There it is. This is 4 days running. Definitely something. What is spiritual? I think our conscious minds, yeah, do get entangled with each other, yeah, and what we describe as spiritual is just another consciousness playing a part. They do say that there's non-locality, yeah, in the way quantum entanglements work. So maybe this is quantum entanglements at work, yeah, and a change in another person's consciousness that you have been entangled with somehow affects a change in your consciousness. But because we're at global scale, yeah, we can also notice our immediate space-time, yeah, having fluctuations. Maybe the way entanglements work, yeah, it might be something that comes out of the space-time continuum until it meets something that it was entangled with. It just keeps going around the space-time continuum in superposition. Okay, maybe when two entities are in superposition and are separate, yeah, the state of superposition that they had remains, yeah, in the bulk or space-time continuum, yeah, and maybe it sounds like some kind of resonance, yeah. You can resonate one property of a particle into another, yeah. Well, because they're in superposition, maybe it's an energy balance. Um, but when you say non-locality, maybe everywhere in the universe is local to everywhere in the universe. Maybe that's what's happening there. I do not know. But I've caught something there. Yeah, so I do not know how to approach this. I'm not going to do the math because I have a problem with mathematical theory the way it's presented at the moment. Things like what happens when you get to zero, and why then that's a trivial answer, because what happens when you get to zero could be anything. You could make up anything, and as long as you have evidence to prove it, it's true. I could tell you something completely different, and as long as I can prove it intuitively, it is true. So I might not like the fact that there's -1 as what happens when you get to zero and you subtract. Yeah, I might like another outcome which also has validity when you look at it intuitively. So I'm not doing the math for any of my theories, yeah, but the theories that came about when we're using negative numbers, we have to be weary of those. I'm still searching for the reason why I'm having these problems. Let me, today's meditation is very important, so I'm going to keep this short. Let me just switch it off and go back to my meditation. But it's happened again 4 days in a row. Okay.